Hi, hello everybody. I just bought a new laptop, a gaming laptop with brand of Acer. So I just take a review of unboxing my new Acer. So let's check the specs. Alright, so Acer, and let's check about the back. So here the specs. Sorry about the detail of the video. I'm just using a cell phone. It's just only a 2 megapixel, so you can absorb the too much letters on this. So let's prepare to open this. Let's show now. Sorry about that. I'm just using a one hand cause it's too harder. So that's it. So what's this? An Acer. Alright. Quick guide. So new one is booklet. What's this? Oh, okay. It's a game guide. And stop. Okay. It's a charger adapter. Then okay, cable network. And then an Acer. Just wait. Okay. Okay, so here we are. It's an Acer. It's more like a glowing one. So let's check the specs. Alright. So what we have here is a third generation of Intel Core i5 with Turbo Boost up to 3.0 GHz, and what we got here is a GeForce GT 630M with 2 GB, and then a Windows 7 and Home Premium, and including NVIDIA Optimus. So let's try to view this specs. So NVIDIA 14 HD LED, 4 gig DDR3 memory, but it's no longer 4 gig, so I already upgraded to 8 gig for maximum gameplay, and then 500 gig HDD, 2 dedicated RAM of video card, and DVD Super Multi DL drive, 6 cell line batteries, more than 3.5 hours duration. So let's take a see and open it. Right, I just only want to introduce this because it's my second time to bought this computer, and it has a high spec of computer, so it can play more on Battlefield 3, or what we say, Resident Evil, or even GTA. So it's more not totally just a plastic, but it's more like a glass. So it's just a more beautiful design it, and covered with white. So let's check. So my previous Acer is color blue, but this not color green. I don't know how, but it looks nice. And wait, I have a free gadgets in here. From what we see here is new laptop here. Alright, we got here an already antivirus, McAfee Internet, right? Skype and eBay. So I have a totally free for purchasing this laptop. So I have keyboard protection. Alright, and then what's this? Mouse pad. Okay, and then an headset. I don't like this headset. It's kind of low in low quality. Alright, and then free headphones for the MP3. Alright, and a mouse. It's optical. So that's all I have free here. That's too many of them. So thanks for watching for this video. Soon I'll upload the new or testing a Battlefield 3 or Resident Evil Operation Raccoon City. So check out my videos and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.